washing these things first. Just vinegar and water, y'all. Sit in there for about 45 minutes. Let it tenderize and get all the stuff that did come off there when they first cut them up at the meat factory. Then we're going to come back and season them up and then put them in the refrigerator, let them sit there, and then we're going to go outside and smoke them and have us some shake them off the bone turkey legs. This is why we rinse it and clean it in that vinegar and water. All right, we're going to rinse it off. Then we're going to go ahead and season them up. Time to dry these big boys out. Gonna let these get seasoned, air out in the refrigerator. Here's a little binder here. We're just gonna go first. Some all-purpose seasoning. Sounds pretty good. Padilla found it on sale at the local grocery. A little cheaper than the Lowry's. Pepper. Garlic powder. Do a little thyme. We're gonna make these good. Some sage. The parsley flakes. A little sugar in here. Just a hint of sweetness. We're gonna throw these up in the fridge. Let them sit overnight.
They already smell good too.
Yeah. Alright, see y'all in the morning. Pour this big old piece of cherry wood first. And I got some hickory here. And we're gonna cook with an open fire. We about to get some maximum flavor. It's time to get smoky. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna set my timer for about an hour. Come and flip it, go for another hour, and then I'm gonna wrap it, go for 2 hours on that, or longer. It's gonna get it super tender, so it just shake off the bone. And just go ahead and flip her up. It's an hour in. This gorge is gonna smoke it. Look at that. Time to wrap. Get a tight wrap. Back on there, do their thing. Get super tender. 2 to 3 hours. See what we got. Oh, this thing a massage. I think that's ready. We are finished. See what we got, y'all. Smell that? What do you want to do already?
It's falling off the bone.
What do you want to do already?
Bring that back one more time. It's over, ladies and gentlemen.
Come on.
And it fell off the bone.
Come on.
Straight fell off the bubble.
Look how neat it came off too.
Real neat.
See, it was at a fancy restaurant. That's how they're served to you be. All right, we gotta take all this out. Yes, sir. Would you like our full fall off the bone turkey, smoked turkey leg? Yes. On top of that dressing.
Child.
Oh man. Come on. Come on. I did 2 hours on the smoker, unwrapped, wrapped it up, put it back on the smoker, 4 hours. Total of 6 hours, 250 degrees. Magic, baby. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. I appreciate y'all. We gonna keep on going. We having fun, y'all. Peace.